Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an opportunity and contact role in Salesforce. This process is essential for tracking your sales deals and understanding which contacts are involved in each opportunity, helping you manage your sales pipeline more effectively. Let's start by creating the opportunity. First, navigate to the app launcher, which is the waffle icon you'll see on your Salesforce homepage, and click on Opportunities. This will take you to your Opportunities dashboard where you can view and manage all your deals. Once you're on the Opportunities page, click the New button to begin creating a fresh opportunity. You'll be presented with a form that needs several key details filled in. In the Account Name field, start typing the name of an existing account you want to associate this opportunity with. As you type, Salesforce will show you matching accounts from your database. Select the correct one from the drop-down list that appears. This links your deal to the right company or organization. Next, type the name of your deal in the Opportunity Name field. Make it descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Then, if you know the expected revenue for this deal, type that amount in the Amount field. This helps with forecasting and pipeline reporting. For the close date, click the calendar icon and select when you expect this deal to close. This date is crucial for managing your sales timeline and quotas. Now click the Stage Pick list and select the current stage of your opportunity, whether that's prospecting, negotiation, or any other stage your organization uses. If the probability field is editable in your org, type in a percentage that reflects the likelihood of closing this deal. Click the Forecast Category Pick list if your organization requires it and select the appropriate value. If you use the Next Step field to track follow-up actions, type in any relevant details there. This keeps your team aligned on what needs to happen next. Once everything is filled in, click Save at either the bottom or top of the page to create your opportunity. Now let's add the contact role. Go to the saved opportunity record you just created. On the left side of the opportunity record, click the contact roles text. This will take you to the section where you can manage which contacts are involved in this deal. Scroll down to the contact roles related list and click Add Contact Roles. You'll see a list or search box where you can select one or more contacts who are involved in this opportunity. Choose the relevant contacts and click Next. For each contact you've added, click the Role Pick list and select their specific role in this deal, such as decision maker, influencer, or economic buyer. This clarifies who does what in the buying process. Finally, click Save on the Contact Roles dialog to confirm all your selections. You've now successfully created an opportunity with associated contact roles, giving you complete visibility into your deal and the people involved in it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.